Welcome friends to Unstop Java Solutions. I am Snehasis and today I am going to explain you the difference between access specifiers and access modifiers. So in my last video I explained about the access specifiers in Java. Okay, but there is one question that what is access specifiers and what is access modifiers. Okay, so basically if you see in the older object oriented language like C++, so there the concept is that access specifiers and access specifiers and access modifiers concept is there. Okay, but for Java means I will show you what are the access specifiers and what are the access modifiers. Okay, so suppose here I am writing, so here you can see I already described this part. So, okay, so here I am writing that what are the access specifiers and access modifiers. So I show you that the in my last video that access specifiers is public, private, protected and default. Okay, these are the access specifiers. And for the access modifiers, okay, so we can define the access modifiers in two part. One is the class modifier. Okay, so here I am writing class modifier and another is the variable modifier. variable modifier variable modifier. So in class modifier we can write that the abstract. Okay, so we can write here that like abstract. Okay, abstract, then we can say that final. Okay, final, then we can say that the stripped fp. Okay, so these we can say that the class modifier. Okay, and for variable level modifier we can say like that static. Okay, final. Okay, transient. AENT, volatile. Like this. Okay, and there is also some synchronizer. Okay, so these are also there. So these are basically the access modifiers. But if we tell about the Java language, then there is no such terminology like access specifiers. Okay, so these all are access specifiers and modifiers. These two concept is there in the older object oriented language like C++ and C also. You can say that this terminology is there, but in case of Java there is no terminology of access specifier. Everything there means all these public, private, protected, default, abstract, final, stripped, fee, okay, static, final, these transient, volatile, all these things are here as access modifiers. Okay, so there is no terminology like access specifiers. Okay, so how I am showing you means if why these are the access, here called access modifiers in Java. So here if you see, suppose in this class if I change this class, if I change this public class as private, so top level class in Java you cannot create as private. So if you create it as a private, then compiler will give you the error. So if you click here, so you can see here that the remove invalid modifiers. Okay, so you can see this private is a modifier, so invalid modifier. So in case of Java we cannot say that there is any access specifier, so these are the access modifiers. Although means by intentionally I saw in my last video that these are the access specifiers, but this not in case of Java. Okay, in other languages you can say these are the access specifiers, but for Java all are the access modifiers. Okay, so top level you cannot create private, so I am writing here public. So in here I already explain means how this the scope of this method public private protected. So at variable level also you can use this all these modifiers public private protected, but in case of your object oriented languages we are always it means class variable we are always mark them as a private, and we always use the method to access those variable. Okay, so that is the part, but in some situation we have to use this we have to use this modifier as a variable level as well. Okay, so that I will explain later, means why you have to use and how this means the scope of this variable you will define using those modifiers. Okay, so in inheritance or means in some few situations we have to use those, so that I will explain in later videos. So these things also I am showing you in another part. So here I am writing one. So here you can see there is a demo class is already there. So okay, this is the not Java class. Okay, there is no Java class here. Okay, I am creating one Java class here. Okay, text file. And I am writing that private class test modifier and inside that I am writing that public static void main string all. Okay. And here I am printing something like system.out.println. Here I am printing some that modifier demo. Okay. So if you save this file as a save as test modifier.java test modifier.java, and you save it, so it will create a test Java file. Okay. So now from command prompt, if I go to command prompt and go to desktop, okay, and Java C desktop C, not what was my package name is test. Oh sorry, cd desktop, and then if you write Java C test modifier.java. Okay, so if you compile this code, okay, here you can see error modifier private is not allowed here. Okay, so you can see that the message that the modifier private is not allowed here. Okay, so here also you can see that the means private is a modifier, not the specifiers. Okay, in other language you can see that the access means error in access modifier or this access modifier is not allowed, but in case of Java the error message also you can see this is a modifier. Okay, so in Java there is no concept of access specifiers, everything here is access modifier. Okay, so this is all about access specifiers and modifiers. Okay, so I hope now it is clear that Java doesn't support the access specifiers. Okay, whatever here all it's all about access modifiers. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you like my videos, you can share my videos with your friends, and also you can subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that once I upload the next video you will get notifications. And in my description box you can see the my channel link is there, so you can go there and watch the relevant Java related videos. Okay, whatever required for you, you can watch those videos as well. Thanks.